Make your razor last longer. Disinfect and sharpen the blade by doing this. When the mosquitoes become unbearable, you can make a homemade repellent using just 2 ingredients. Put mint and lemon in warm water and light a candle placed on top. Done! This is the right way to open a packet of sweets. This way, it's also easier to close the packet. Here's an original idea for wearing a sweatshirt. Much prettier. A smart way to get a thread through the eye of the needle. Dirty screen? Say goodbye to fingerprints by using a mixture of dishwashing liquid, rinse aid, and warm water. It works! Bay leaves and baking soda can help brighten your colored clothes in the washing machine. Here's another use for clothes dryer sheets that you may not yet know about. They are very effective at picking up dust trapped in corners. Store away your shopping bags neatly. Fold them up like this. Wow! All it takes is an empty shoebox to revolutionize your closet. This way, you get an extra shelf. If you didn't finish a bag of potato chips, you can close the bag without using a peg. Check this out!